आज मैं आप सबको मूड कोर्ट के बारे में बोलूँगी। पहले तो आपको जानना है व्हाट इज़ मूड कोर्ट। A moot court is an artificial court arranged in law institute for law students. Moot court means a court in which hypothetical case is discussed. Moot courts are used as a form of clinical legal training for law students and may also be held by law student societies for the sake of competition. Mooting is considered a specific form of stimulation in which students are asked to argue point of law before a stimulated court. अब आइए आप लोग व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मूड कोर्ट एंड जनरल कोर्ट. Court is situated in places of important towns or cities by law, whereas moot courts are located in each and every law institute. जो सेकेंड डिफरेंस है वही है कि इन कोर्ट्स लॉ केसेस आर heard and justice is judicially administered, while in moot court the team of law students argue points of law before an appellate court. In courts the case runs for years, but in moot courts it might last for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. In courts, judges are who are appointed or elected as per the constitution and having judicial powers preside, whereas in moot court, law teachers or experienced lawyers whom the law student or law institute invite to preside over, and they have no judicial powers. In courts, the judges give judgment basing on the witness, facts, and law arguments of advocates, whereas in moot court, the standard of the mooter is judicially by paying particular attention to the mooter's ability to make use of the available legal authorities, answer question, observe the etiquette of the courtroom. The court decides the dispute between real parties, but moot court are not constituted to decide the dispute but to provide opportunity to the law student to apply principle of law to the case assigned to them. The advocates should wear the uniform of black ground and bands when they argue in regular courts. In moot courts, generally the mooter will not be bogged down by strict rules of wearing the advocate dress. In courts, the advocate should mind the strict rules of evidence and the strict requirements of submission of relevant arrangements, while in moot court, the mooter have to stick to the points which they seek to make out from the question of law and in prescribed manner. The advocates in courts may be afraid of contempt of court, while there is no such fear of contempt of court, though they have to learn how to present their points of law or points of view in a systematic or decent manner. In an ordinary court, the advocate can take much of time to present his argument. Even days together will be satisfied, but in moot court presentation the mooter have to strictly avoid by inner constraints and the time limit within which they have to present their respective cases for consideration of the judges. In ordinary case, an advocate has an fear of losing his case, but in moot court, the mooter has no fear of losing his case. He will get cent percentage success by way of gaining experience. ओके दोस्तों, आप लोग आज जाना है मूट कोर्ट और कोर्ट के डिफरेंस के बारे में. इस वीडियो को आप लोग लाइक करिए अगर अच्छा लगा, और इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए।